My video is about removing pop-up windows by the website misurl.net. Misurl.net is a dangerous site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you download and install certain unwanted browser extensions which may function as a browser hijacker. So if you see these pop-ups, you need to be very careful not to interact with them. Such pop-ups are totally fake and obviously very deceptive. Don't trust them. Just leave this deceptive page. To clean your browser from all sorts of unwanted extensions, access the menu, go to Extensions, click on Manage Extensions, and then if you find anything suspicious here, get rid of these extensions. Finally, I recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner antivirus can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.